Monday morning, November 4th, Astro Excel picture for the week ahead, along with some key timing windows and some of the intra-week trend segments from the Vedic chart. We start off the week being down between the -10 and -20 line overnight, and we're still down below that. We're creeping up towards zero, but we're still in negative territory all throughout the day on Monday. Monday evening, we dip back down, bottom out Tuesday morning, or Tuesday afternoon rather, around 1300, and then we get the strongest push up of the week that carries through Tuesday and Wednesday and peaks out very early Thursday morning, and then we're up around the 10 line. That day we start to turn down Friday afternoon, and we're down, or rather Thursday afternoon, we're down through Thursday into Friday morning, bottoming out here at 0700, and then we're flatlining below zero and -10 throughout the day on Friday. Significant peaks on the blue line come this evening, Monday evening, 1900. Then we're kind of bouncing around between the 10 lines all the way into Thursday evening. We touch the -10 here at midnight on the 7th, and then we bounce up. We've got a peak high at 11 a.m. on the 7th. Another high at 1800 on the 7th, and then going into Friday, we're inside the 10s. Some of the key timing windows, these are the ones that are the B2 level timers on the rainbow chart. They're marked by the blue vertical lines. You can see we've got this window on the 4th today, and that is between 6:51 and 8:08. We do not have a strong trend segment today on Monday. Looking at Tuesday, we've got back-to-back trend segments on Tuesday, which are marked by these two red arrows here, and that is from 8:11 to 9:39 for one, and then at 9:39 to 13:27 we should get a zigzag move, an ABC wave, up, down, up. See that on Wednesday or Tuesday. Moving into Wednesday, we have a couple of different one window Wednesday. Two windows Wednesday. The first marked by the red arrows here on the 6th. The early one is 7:49 to 9:16. The second one is 9:16 to 12:59. That one is your ABC up, down, up wave in that time period. So Wednesday is very similar to Tuesday, slightly different times. Looking at Thursday. Thursday, we have two trend segments and then a timing window. The first segment is 423 to 548. The second one is 548 to 928. That's the ABC up, down, up window. And then we move into a white window, 928 to 1243. Should be anticipating a turning point there. It's coincidental with the blue line here. If the trend segments are correct, that would be a high, and then we'd be moving into a down move in agreement with the blue line, and then the flat green line, which is going to be turning down after that. Going to Friday, we have one trend segment in the morning. It's from 447 to 822. That is going to be the ABC type of move, and then we have a white window behind that at 822 to 1133. That's on Friday. And again, that looks like that would be a high. The blue line, green line moving up into that same area in time before both lines turn down. So that's a little bit of a look at the potential trend and some key turning point areas for the week ahead.